think if you look at today's TA call, basically we have three stocks. The first one is actually on Mastron. If you notice, I think the pullback from the high here basically was somehow supported by the 200-day moving average. I think if you look at the rebound from the low, 39 cent, this low, basically it has actually lifted the share price above all the key moving averages again. So I think yesterday was the last row above 50-day. So I think for the next few days it can be volatile. Reason being, I think it will try to build a base above the 50-day SMA, and if this is established, I think the stock is poised for the next upleg, possibly to re-challenge this high, as well as the following resistance over here. I think for now we are looking at 45 cent, 48.5 cent as the resistance. Second stock, Dialog. Okay, I think if you look at Dialog, similar to Mastron, I think share price pullback, but supported by the 200-day SMA. I think if you look at the recent three incidents where share price moved towards the 200-day moving average, buying support or buying momentum will pick up. And again, I think with now the candles trading near the 200-day, I think there is a good chance that momentum will pick up again due to bargain hunting activities. So I think the best bet, of course, if you want to reduce your risk exposure, is to wait for the stock to break out the key moving averages, which is not far from here. Yesterday, I think they managed to surpass. That was the first attempt from yesterday. So I think if we can break through and build a base, then again, similar to Mastron, Dialog is also poised to re-challenge the previous high. Okay. Third stock, Petronas Chemicals. I must say that I think if you look at Petronas Chemicals from a long-term chart, basically still trapped in the downtrend channel. I think if you look at the price pattern here, most of the time trading below the 50-day. I mean, don't talk about the 200-day. It is always below 200-day. But when you look at the 50 and 30 days, basically share price has always been trading below. But I think the last few weeks, things have changed a bit. The moving averages, the 30-day has been taken out, and I think the stock is trying to build a base above 30-day. So I think the next thing could happen is either a breakout or a fake out. Okay, so if it managed to break out above the 50-day, I think the red line here, and build a base, then I think again we would expect the share price to trend much higher. Okay, our key risk is actually a sharp pullback. I think my take here is actually to put a stop at this low, which is about 6.97, 6.97 cent. So if this stop is if this low is triggered, then I think you should cut loss. Basically, I think the odds at this juncture favor the bull at this juncture. Okay, so I think important for PCAM, always put a stop at 6.97.